Using a compass and straight edge, construct and label triangle K prime L prime M prime, the image of triangle KLM, after dilation with a scale factor of 3 and centered at K. Describe the relationship between the lengths of LM segment and L prime M prime segment. We have given the scale factor is, so K is 3. First we have to construct the triangle K prime L prime M prime, and this is the image of triangle KLM after dilation. So a dilation, we know, is transformation that stretches or shrinks a figure to create a similar figure. A dilation is type of similarity transformation. In dilation, figure is over enlarged or reduced with respect to a fixed point called the center of dilation. We have given scale factor here as 3, and when K is greater than 1, the dilation is enlargement. Because K is greater than 1. So first we have to construct triangle K prime L prime M prime. We have to have ruler. First, because K is the center of dilation, so we need to first extend segment KL. We will draw the ray. The endpoint is K, ray KL, because K is the center, and we will draw ray KM. K is endpoint. The center of dilation we have at K point. So it means that K prime is equal to K. We have to find L prime and M prime. We will use compass. We have to measure segment KL. We have to put compass in the L vertex, and we have to measure to point K, and now we have to make the arc on the other side of L. Because the scale is 3, so we have to have 3 segments KL, 2, and next will be 3. This is our point L prime. L prime will be here. We have to find M prime. So again, we have to measure segment MK. We will use compass. We have to make the arc from point M to K, and on the other side, point M, we will have, when we will have scale 2, we will have 2 segments, because K is 3. So now from the point which we got from where our arc cross with the ray KM, we will draw another arc. The arc has measured segment KM, and this is our point M prime, approximately here. And now when we connect L prime M prime, we have triangle K prime L prime M prime. Let's maybe use the green. This is our triangle. This is our triangle K prime L prime M prime. We have to describe the relationship between length L M and L prime M prime. Because the K was 3, so we can write that length of segment L prime M prime will be 3 times the length of segment LM. Why? Because the scale factor of dilation was 3. And always you can check using the compass if this is true. We measure the segment KM with compass. And now when we measure 3 times the segment from L prime, we have point M prime. So the measure of L prime M prime is 3 times the segment L M.